Start by removing the plate on the motor. Remove the ground wire. Use a pair of needle nose pliers to remove the black hot and the white neutral wires. Loosen the screws that are holding in the main wire. Pull out the ground wire and cut the end of the black and white wire off and pull all the wires out. Open the lid of the processor and use an adjustable wrench to loosen the nut holding in the blade. Hold the shaft tight and knock the blade loose. Loosen the 4 bolts holding down the bucket. Once all 4 bolts are completely loose, remove the bucket. Remove the spacers. Loosen the nuts and bolts holding on the motor. Remove the bottom 2 nuts and bolts, leaving the top 2 in place for now. Tilt the motor upright and remove the final 2 nuts and bolts. Remove the motor. For the new style of motor, you will have an assembly of parts that will help you retrofit the motor onto your existing processor. Loosen only the front 2 bolts that are holding on the bearings. Remove the bottom nut, leaving the bolt in place. Add the extra supplied washers and attach the stopper bracket. Make sure that the original mounting bracket is on the back side of the new stopper bracket. Hand tighten and then fully tighten with a socket wrench and a wrench. Add the new mounting bracket for your new motor. Use a washer, then a bolt, then add a washer, a lock washer, and a nut on the backside. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hand tighten to get into place. Fully tighten with a wrench and a socket wrench. Be sure that the electrical box on the new motor is facing towards you when installing. If you have a helper in this next part, it will definitely make it easier, but it is possible to do by yourself. Place the motor on the stand and add in the spacers. Align the spacers the best you can. You can readjust as you go. Lower the bucket onto the new mounting bracket. As you align the spacers, slightly tighten the bolts in place. Add the back spacers and tighten. Once you have all the spacers and bolts in place, fully tighten them. It is best to tighten them in a crisscross pattern. Add the stopper and add the nut to the other side. Clamp on the new funnel mounting bracket and drill the holes with the provided drill bit. Insert the bolt Add the washer, lock washer, and nut to the backside. Tighten with a wrench and a socket wrench. Be sure to install the blade flat side up and spin into place. Add the nut. Tighten by hand and the blade will self-tighten as it goes. Remove the electrical plate on your new motor. Feed in the wires. Tighten the clamp. Attach the ground wire. Attach the black hot wire to the red and blue wire. And attach the neutral white wire to the yellow. Put the plate back on, and you have completed installing your new motor. Remember to always have a trained electrician do any wiring work for you. If you do need a technician to come out to your facility to help you with this, you can give us a call at 1-800-622-5411. You can also schedule for service on our online shopping cart, and there will be links below. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful.